Hello, my dear lovely audience. I extend to you a warm welcome. This is MD Amarullah Talukdar, and today I am going to share with you how to enhance your Facebook event match quality. At first, I want to say what is event match quality. Event match quality is a score or rating used by Meta to measure how accurately your server-side conversion API events match with real user on Facebook or Instagram. Why does we need this? If I go our Facebook, match it even help you attribution conversion to your ads and deliver them to people who are more likely to convert, which can result in better ad performance and lower cost per action. That means Facebook event match quality need for our who are more likely to convert and better ad performance and lower cost per action. And then should I send parameter both pixel and the conversion API to improve our event match quality? Which is the best practice? In this case, I love to send from two sides, from metapixel and conversion API also, because Facebook recommended to send from metapixel and conversion API. Now, what parameter should be sent for our better event match quality? For my this website, I would like to send Facebook click ID, Facebook browser ID, first party collection, email address, phone number, first name, last name, postal code, city and country. I think this parameter is enough for raise our event match quality. Now my work is here. I need create all variable for this parameter and I have to go variable section and at first FBC and FBP. First party collection FBC, FBC. Save new first party cookie underscore FBP, FBP. Save and then email address. This email address variable we will build from our data layer. That's why I need to open our data layer. If I click preview, I need to complete a purchase, proceed to checkout, place order. Now we got the purchase and if I go variable section, now I'm going to create email address variable. That's why I have to copy this email address, hash email address. If I make a variable from this data layer, that time I need to copy order data, new data layer variable, order data dot and then customer, copy customer and then billing dot email hash. We know very well when we will send a customer data, that time we make our parameter hash. In this document, Facebook said when you will send email, that time it's required hash, phone number required hash, first name required hash, last name hash, date of birth required hash, and then gender required hash, city required hash, state required hash, zip code required hash and country required hash, client IP address no need to make it hash and lots of thing there has no need make it hash. Okay, that's why I click on copy and billing, then email address hash, rename it email hash, and now I need phone number, that's why I have to go and phone number also need hash, copy. If I make it copy, that time our work will be fast. Phone hash, if I click here, change phone number, save it, and need first name. If I came here, this is our first name, it's required hash, and then email hash. If I copy it, name email, if I first name hash, save it. Now we need send surname, that means last name. If I click last name hash, that time copy it and go email hash, make it copy last name hash, last name hash, last name, save it, and then we need postcode. Postcode also required hash, but in this case we didn't get postcode is hash. That's why I only copy this thing. After that, when we will send before our configuration, I will make it hash, and then if I copy it postcode, save it, and then city is Dhaka. If I copy it, CITY city, billing city. Save it. We need city and then country. Country is very copy, paste it country and country. It's not hash, that's why I didn't write hash. Save it. Now our all variable create is done, but three thing we didn't get hash, that is country, city and postcode. Now we need make it hash. Okay, that time we should use on code. If I make it hash, that time I need use code, custom javascript code, and I need paste it here, and I have to change this thing at first. COU country, and make it hash country hash, country hash, and then another custom javascript, paste it here, and then city, ty city, CI city hash, and then another is postcode. Okay, custom javascript, after that paste it here, postcode, postcode. Okay, hash postcode hash, save it. Now I need to check all parameters is properly work or not. That's why I need to go preview section, continue. If I complete on purchase, that would be best practice. Add to cart, view cart, place order, proceed checkout, and then place order. If I came here, and now variables, our FBC, FBP, email address, phone number, first name, last name, postcode, city and country. This is our hash city, and this is our country, hash country. FBC, we didn't get it. It is undefined because of I didn't come from any ad. That's why I don't get. If I came from any ad, that time it will be defined. And FBP is I get is its first name hash, its last name also we get, and another thing is phone number, we get hash phone number, postcode hash we get, and then that is our email, and we got the email address. Okay, our all variable creation is done. Now we need to configure our one thing I want to say. When we complete our one order, that time we will get name, address, phone number and email address. If anyone visit one, that time we didn't get any customer data. That's why we can't send any customer data for every tag. Just we can send customer data in purchase event, but we can send it view content, FBC, FBP, all everything. If it is view content, here I can send FBC, FBC, FBP, FBP, and then we can send another thing is first party collection. First party collection is true, and then save it. We have implement FBP, FBC and view first party collection at add to cart, initial checkout, remove from cart, view cart, and content, view content. Now we need give all everything for our server part, but one thing we can't use FBP, FBC like this way. We need one is need schema, that is FBP, FBC, like we should send it like this way, and then if I click here and then three things, if I FBP, FBC and first party collection, FB, FBP, FBC and TRU true, save it. Now without purchase tag, without to purchase tag, our all parameter is implementation done. Now at first I love to give parameters purchase tag. It is from FB browser part, that's why I will give FBP. I need more FBC and then first party collection, and then I need email address like this way, email address just EM, copy paste, and then phone number just PN just PN, and then first name last name, and then FN for first name, and then last name, first name, last name, city, and then zip or postal code. Okay, and at first FBC, and first party collection is TRUE, true. Email, email hash, phone number hash, and then FN, first name hash, last name hash, city hash, zip, postcode hash, and then one is country. Country, if I go fast, this is country, and then country hash. Okay, our browser part tag is purchase tag configuration is done. Save it. And now server part, at first I need to add some parameter, that is I will send FBP first party collection, and then this is for email, it is GA4 schema, this is phone number, and then last name, first name, and then last name, city, and then zip code, and then country. Okay, now is country. FBP first party collection is true. Email hash, first name hash, last name hash, country is hash. Now I need to give save and on time submit, continue. And for our server container, okay, and it should clean. And then if I click preview, continue. Okay, if I complete on buyer journey, click on add to cart, purchase tag. Okay, now purchase will get lots of thing. FBP, country, user data, email address, phone number, first name, last name, city, postal code, country. We get all everything. And if I get from here, that time we will get from there. And look at that, user data key, it won't show, just show country, city, email address, browser ID, first name, IP address, summary, phone number, user engagement, and postcode. All everything is collect our server tag. And if I click web, that time all everything is collect. That is it. A country, zip code, city, last name, first name, phone number, email, first party collection, FBP, all everything is collect our Facebook. That means our all implementation is okay. And if I get this thing, and if I get this information, and if we get this information, that means our Facebook event match quality automatically increase within very short time. And our purchase is 3.9, it will increase more and more, and it needs some time. After that it will increase automatically, and you should check it event manager here. And if you see, and all everything will automatically fill up. So that's it for enhance our Facebook event match quality. And thank you for watching this video.